Hey guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how to change signature in DocuSign. So this is like an easy and short tutorial. Just before I do so, I'd like to point your interest and awareness at some links of some nice tools in the description of this video, so make sure to give that a click if you're interested. Alright, to change signature. Firstly, log into your DocuSign account. Then you want to focus on the top right corner, where you can find your logo or your initials, and then click on Manage Profile. On the left sidebar, you will see the Signature option, which is the fourth option from the top. Here you can see all your signatures. From here, you can either edit your existing signature or delete it. So you can change your signature. However, you can't change your full name or your initials. But you can delete this one and add a new signature. We can easily do so by clicking on the Add Signature button. Here we type in our name and initials. We can also draw our names here and our initials here on the right side. For this example, I will just choose one of the existing styles. Once you have done, then hit the Create button and it's automatically saved. You can create and edit as many signatures as you like and use them in your documents. And that's it. So, like I said guys, don't forget to check out some nice tools in the description. Thanks for watching.